Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for F1TV app error code TM5000. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per the user's reports, the error comes when the stream suddenly stops working, especially when transitioning from pre-race to the main race. Users have experienced this issue across different platforms, including Apple TV, Chrome on Mac, and the iPad app. According to our research, the error appears to be a temporary system-wide issue that affects video playback during streaming. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to close everything and restart your device. Once the device restarts, open the F1TV app again and try streaming. If the error still comes, then wait for a couple of minutes and try again. Some users have shared that the error went away after a short wait. So give it a rest for some time and check for the error again. If the error still persists, then try disconnecting and reconnecting to the internet. Simply turn off your internet connection and wait a few seconds, then reconnect and relaunch the app. Then check if this helps with the error. If the error still continues, then try connecting over a different network. You can switch to another Wi-Fi or use a mobile hotspot, then open the F1TV app and check if the error still comes. At last, if the error still persists, then contact F1TV support and report the issue. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.